Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a real account on Exness. If you don't already have an account on Exness, you can click the link in the description under the video and you can create an account in Exness easily, and through that link you can benefit from many bonuses and discounts for your transactions. So after you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page. You need to input your email address and your password and then register and follow the steps. For my case, I already have an account, so I will sign in. After signing in, you can see that I don't have demo account or real account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do real account. So just press on open account and then choose the account type: professional, raw spread, or zero, standard, or standard send. So for example, I will choose this one and then press on continue. Now you can see for standard send, you can choose demo account is only real account. Now you can choose your currency, your nickname. For example, I will call him real trading. And then we have the maximum, you can change it custom. And then we have the platform MT5 or MT4. And then you need to create a trading password. And then press on create an account and it will be created successfully. Now, as you can see in real account, we have this account. You can start trading right away. You can deposit or withdraw or anything. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.